Target just puts you in the buying mood. Welcome back to my channel. So I just filmed a video like 2 minutes ago on this at-home blowout. I'm in love. My hair looks purple. I did tone it with a product that I'm going to show you right now. So last night, Andrew and I decided to take a really last-minute trip at 5 o'clock to Buffalo, New York, and to go to Ulta and Target. And it actually was the easiest trip ever. It was freezing cold and it was a Thursday night. So nobody was at the border and nobody was at the stores. So it took like an hour and 20 minutes to get there. It was a 4.5 hour round trip, which is unbelievable because we drove there, we went shopping, ate dinner, came home. It was awesome. But we stopped at my two favorite American locations. We have Ulta and Target. So it's just kind of a mini haul, but I thought I would show you everything that I picked up. So the whole reason we actually took this trip is for this. And it's actually already out of the package because I used it this morning. But this is the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. And oh my gosh, this is amazing. I think you'll see that video before you see this one. Worth the drive. Honestly, this is amazing. It is sold out everywhere in Canada. Cannot get your hands on it unless you want to pay like triple the price, maybe even 4 times the price. But I called Ulta yesterday. They put it on hold for me, and that was kind of the reason why we decided to go. Yeah, this is $59.99, but worth every penny. You could throw away your blow dryer even. Like, this really takes that place. So if you want to know more about this, I'll try and link the video down below. The next thing I picked up from Ulta is the reason why my hair is purple as well. I have an Instagram friend, Annie. She posted about this from Ulta, and this is the Punky color Get the Yellow Out. And this really gets the yellow out. This says Coolicious. And it's a once a week treatment. It says it neutralizes yellow, brightens gray and white hair, and nourishes and strengthens abused hair, cleanses and conditions sulfate and paraben free. And it really does take out the yellow. The only thing for me is that my hair is apparently very porous and very absorbent, and it just turns it purple, which I'm not really mad at, but I have to sing at an event tomorrow and I really didn't want purple hair, but that's okay. I think that I'll just wash my hair again tonight and we should be fine. But it really takes out any yellowness, which is what I was looking for. So I'm very, very happy with this. And this was like $14.99, which is a great price, and it's 1 week, so this is gonna last me a long time. The last thing I got at Ulta, you shouldn't be surprised, but I got a Badescu oil-free moisturizer, and this is SPF 30. This is like my ride or die daily moisturizer. I have tried many other things and I cannot find anything that compares. This is a little more pricey. I believe this is like $28 for this little bottle, but I swear by this stuff. This is like phenomenal, the best daily moisturizer ever. So that was it from Ulta. Moving on to Target. Well, okay, I'll show you. Okay, first off, LaCroix Key Lime. If you have not had LaCroix Key Lime, you are seriously missing out. It is like lime and vanilla. It is bizarre how incredible this is. Like, you think it's so sweet. Like, I can't believe there's no sugar or anything. And you can only get it in the States. And so we bought 2 cases. We should have bought 3 because we've already cracked open one of them. And oh, it's so good. Like, it is so freaking good. So we got 2 of those from Target. Then they were having a really great clearance. So I picked up this beautiful, look how beautiful this color is. This beautiful peach kind of workout sweatshirt. This was in the clearance for $9.99. It was extra large, there was the only one, but it's kind of like oversized then, which I really, really like, and it's by the Champion brand. Yeah, Champion. super soft. Like both Andrew and I tried it on for fun and we were both like, oh my gosh, that looks really cute and I can't believe it's $9.99. Andrew got a pair of these men's shorts, which are really, really nice material. They feel like those Lululemon shorts, kind of like you're wearing like really light, slippery material. And these were a little bit more pricey. They were $24.99, but they're Duo Dry Wick Moisture, breathable fabric, and they have stretch. And he didn't have anything that was this kind of color. This wasn't on clearance, but I have nothing like it. This is also by the Champion brand in a medium. This is this really cute like workout shirt. It has got like mesh here, and then the sides are kind of like that butterfly, but it's really, I think it's really cute and I really liked the color. And I think it's like a very like cute athleisure top, so not just for the gym. Okay, another bag. Next, this is Andrew, A1 steak sauce. So we have, I believe we have A1 steak sauce here in Canada, but Andrew and Amy Lee's husband Aaron are both convinced that it tastes different. Every time we go, Andrew's like, can you pick up A1 steak sauce? Can you pick up A1 steak sauce? And I never remember. And so actually I remembered. I was like, oh, we're at Target, A1 steak sauce. So A1 steak sauce. Next, this is Andrew. I don't know why he got this Dove Derma Scalp. He has an itchy scalp, but I don't know why he got this at Target. I think we were joking because Target just puts you in the buying mood. We were just like throwing things in the cart. I was like, I need one thing. Over $100 later. Okay, and the last two things I'm really excited about. This is for Andrew and I to share because of his scalp, but I've been wanting to try this. This is the Kristin S Instant Exfoliating Scalp Scrub. And it removes buildup and flakes, scalp soothing, hydrating, rebalancing, gently exfoliating, and non-drying. And you can use this once a week, I think. And it smells amazing. Oh, it smells so good. And so you kind of just, and then you can, I might have to use this tonight because I have a purple scalp. But basically it says wet your hair, use the pointed tip to part your hair, and gently apply scrub directly on the scalp. Gently massage, scrub in small circles, rinse well, and then follow with shampoo and conditioner. So I think this will be really great for both Andrew and I. He doesn't have dandruff, he has something with his scalp. So, and then the last thing I got, I'm super excited. This is the new Kristin S Signature Gloss. And this is brass neutralizing, shine boosting, deep conditioning, silicone free, and ammonia free. And this is in winter wheat. And this is for neutral blondes. I should have probably done this today and not the purple, but I was kind of saving this, but now I don't know what I was saving it for. I think this actually takes a little bit longer. So I thought, oh, for today, I'll go with the faster option. But this apparently is like incredible, and it's going to give your hair like a beautiful shine and help with any of those, that brassy color. And this lasts 3 to 4 weeks. Yeah, 3 to 4 weeks. And it's color and keratin safe. And she has many different colors, and she just has like a clear gloss. So I am very excited to try that. And this was $14.99. Like, amazing. So that is it from my Target and Ulta haul. I hope that you enjoyed. I so badly wish we had Target and Ulta here because they're literally my favorite stores ever. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Bye!